What's going on YouTube? Under here under my truck here, showing you guys how to replace the steering shaft. So I'm underneath the truck here. You guys might have a splash shield. Looks like this underneath the truck at the bottom. On the front it's held by four 15mm bolts, one in each corner, and wherever there you see those 15mm bolts. Then you come under here, you got your crank, and right over there you have right behind those wires right there, you see the boot. That's the bottom of the steering shaft. Let me see if I can get a little closer. You see right there, and you're gonna see right down there's a bolt. Mine was 11mm at the bottom right there. I'll tell you right now, I would go up there and then explain, come back down, but once you get everything off, this bolt and the two on the top, then once you get all that off, you're gonna want to hit from down here, especially if you live up north and you got rust issues. You want to hit the bottom of here, from the bottom, hit it up, because I was having a little trouble pulling that piece up right there. So you got like a long extension with a hammer. You get underneath the truck from back here on this side. That's where I came, and right there I put my extension right under here, and I hit it up a couple times and it went up. I haven't taken it out completely yet, but you see it's almost out. So I'll pull out the rest from the top. Hopefully it comes out. Hopefully I hit it enough. And you get up there. I'll show you real quick. Right here, right there, you see that hole right there where the flashlight is? Right there, you're gonna have a 15mm, which is that one right there. I had to hold the 15 on one side and ratchet the other side, because they were both, the other side was freewheeling. And then up here you're gonna have this one. Once you start turning it, that's gonna grab onto the shaft, and you don't need to hold it from the other side. The upper part of the shaft, I put my vice grips on the upper part of the shaft, you see right there, and then I just tapped here so this upper shaft part can go up and release from this part of the shaft. Alright, so once you got that loose, that's what I was telling you when I was at the bottom. Once you get this loose up here, I would start up here and then go down there, because you're gonna have to just tap that up. Like I said, especially if you live up north and it's rusted, you're gonna have to tap that up, and then it should come right out. Now before I do that, I'll show you over here that what I did over here. I put the seat belt, strapped it on the steering wheel, and then put my seat back a little bit just to get some tension. You want to keep this straight. You don't want this steering wheel to turn more than 2.5, 3 turns. You can break the connector belt that rotates in there, left or right. So you want to keep this straight. That's the new part that I got from Dorman. I think it was like $150, $60. There's a part number here. It's a 07 Yukon. So I got that, and it looks like it's kind of crooked, but it doesn't go straight. It doesn't straighten up. I was trying to straighten it up, but I guess it doesn't go straight. It just stays like that, like a C. So let's see if I can finish taking up this piece. So one of my symptoms was, of course, I'm gonna go from the bottom and tap it up. I'll be right back. All right, so tap that out. I am gonna have to separate. I'm gonna have to separate this piece here because I just got this piece that came. So this piece will go. I don't know why. I guess facing down, kind of, sort of. This, I mean, it looks. Yeah, this was loose over here, so. My symptoms that I was having was I had a bit of a play when I'm driving straight. You have to kind of, play with it. So, the normal, you would like play with it a little bit, but just a little bit. But this one, it was excessive. Not too much, but it was excessive. And another symptom I was having, if I'll make a left turn or a right turn, once I made the turn and let the steering wheel go, the steering wheel will stay turned. Like it won't come back to normal, back straight. I will have to manually turn it right back to go straight. So, and one other one that I think this might be the issue, that 70 miles per hour plus, I will get like a little shake. Not so much on the steering wheel, but I could feel it. And the truck, it depends. It's funny because it depends, which way the wind is blowing. Sometimes it will shake a little bit, sometimes it won't shake at all. So I've gotten the wheel alignment, I've gotten the tires balanced, wheels balanced, rotated and stuff like that. So none of that fixed the issue. So that steering shaft, when I used to grab it right here because I saw the boot was broken, I was able to move it around. Like you could tell it was loose. So, oh damn, that's not supposed to come up from in there. Look at this. Oh, do you think that's why it was messed up? Wow. Wow. So there you go, guys. I'm not gonna bore you guys to death from putting it back. You just do everything in reverse. Make sure that steering wheel stays straight, and you should be good. It seemed like it brung this new hardware, and I guess it brung the other one that goes at the bottom, maybe, because I don't see a nut for the other one. But it's good to know. But yeah, hope this helps anybody out. If you have any questions, comment down below, and I'll let you guys know if that fixed my vibration issue. Thanks for watching.